For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Only one fresh COVID-19 case was registered from Asia's largest slum, Dharavi, during the last 24 hours. The last time Dharavi reported single case was on April 5th, 3 months ago. Dharavi has reported 2,335 COVID-19 cases till date, but it has an impressive recovery rate. As many as 1,734 people have recovered so far and 352 people are yet to recover. Weeks ago, Dharavi was considered a threat to Mumbai's fight against COVID-19, but now it has become a model for Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Dharavi posed threat to Mumbai's COVID-19 fight as it had shared bathrooms and little space for social distancing. Nearly 6.5 lakh people live in 2.5 square kilometer slum area. Dharavi was once a COVID-19 cluster and it has now successfully flattened the COVID-19 curve. State's COVID-19 surveillance officer has said COVID-19 curve is flattened in Dharavi.
Dharavi's cases plateaued in early June and the curve has now flattened. We are seeing signs of further reduction and soon the curve will begin to dip. The challenge is to maintain this momentum.
BMC Assistant Commissioner said that stringent containment measures helped to flatten the curve in Dharavi.
We proactively screened residents through fever camps and that helped us identify those with COVID-19 risk from the community randomly. With early detection, the suspected cases and high-risk contacts of COVID-19 patients were identified and placed at quarantine centers. Over 90% of Dharavi's cases were treated within Dharavi and only critical patients were moved out for treatment.
BMC Assistant Commissioner also said that it was not an easy task to flatten the curve in Dharavi.
4/5 of its population still relies on the 450 community toilets, and an average dwelling unit is not more than 250 square feet big, with at least 10 persons living in each. Social distancing is impossible in Dharavi.
Government and civic institutions in Dharavi are converted into isolation and COVID wards to treat COVID-19 patients. There are 22 COVID care centers with 4,447 beds and 4 COVID health centers with 226 beds to treat COVID-19 patients. 25,000 grocery packets and 21,000 food packets distributed in Dharavi to ensure that people don't come out of their homes. The most crowded Dharavi is flattening while Maharashtra capital Mumbai continues to report a record number of COVID-19 cases by the day. 806 new COVID-19 cases reported in Mumbai on Tuesday. Total number of COVID-19 cases in Mumbai is at 86,132. 5,134 new COVID-19 cases and 224 deaths reported from Maharashtra on Tuesday. Maharashtra has reported 2.17 lakh COVID-19 cases and 9,250 people have succumbed to COVID-19 till date.